Good morning, honey. Morning, you're up already. Yeah, couldn't sleep. Big day. Just work, same as always. Coffee's ready. Thanks, it smells perfect. Want some eggs? No time, meeting at 9. Okay, drive carefully. One thing. What? Any plans for tonight? Tonight, not really, why? Just asking. I'll be a bit late, gym class. All right, see you later then. Have a good day. Hey, you look cheerful today. I am. Special reason. It's our anniversary. Oh nice, how many years? 8 years today. Did you get something? Yeah, everything's set. Ordered her favorite flowers and booked a quiet place by the lake. Fancy. She loves that spot. Told her yet? No, surprise. Good luck, man. Hi, can I help you? Yes, looking for a leather wallet. For a gift. For my husband. What style does he like? Simple, dark brown, nothing flashy. This one. Nice clean design, how much? It's on offer today. Really, I'll take it. Gift wrap. Yes, please, dark blue paper if you have it. Sure, he'll like it. I'm home early. You're back already? Yeah, quick change of clothes. Is everything okay? Everything's fine, put this on. This dress, why? We're going out. But I was going to cook. Forget cooking, trust me. Okay, 5 minutes. Where are we going? Surprise. Far. About 20 minutes. Drive slowly, okay? I will. You look really nice. You too. This song. I put it on for you. Can I guess the place? Try. The old cafe near the park. No. By the river. Maybe. You're being secretive. Almost there. We're here. You booked this. Yes, weeks ago. I thought you forgot. How could I forget? Happy anniversary. These flowers, they're beautiful. Your favorite. I have something too, open it. A wallet. Do you like it? Perfect, exactly what I wanted. Try it. Fits well. Thank you. Thank you for dinner. 8 years. 8 happy years. Shall we order? Yes, I'm starving. To us.